Hello you guys, Jaden here back with another video. Today I'm just going to show you photos I took at a car show just because I keep the Sony A6000 on me. Well, I always keep a camera on me, but most of the time I've been leaning towards the A6000 just because it's small and easy. All the photos were taken obviously with this camera and with the 16-50 kit lens. Now, ever since I started making the videos on the A6000, I'm starting to like it more for stills perspective. It's just easy to take with me, it's fun, it's cheap, and honestly I've been leaving my Canon R5 at home, which that's a $4,000 camera. To be quite honest with you, I'm having more fun shooting on this, getting great images out of this. And then every time someone asks me, what do you usually use, or do you always have a camera on you? I say yeah, and then honestly it's like pretty much a 10-year-old camera, and they're quite shocked. Also, side note, every time I go to shoot a video, it's always an overcast day, so I always get like almost great professional lighting without ever having a lighting setup, which that's something I do need to buy, but that's a video for another time. But for now, you guys sit back, relax, and enjoy the photos.